Elena, and can you find s-at for making the set?
Set.
Yes.
Can I go?
You don't have it there, okay? Look for it.
It is called.
What do you have already? Put it there. And this is? T. Very good. And then you have st. But we still need, because the... Yes, you have st. But we need set. Ah, very good. But in English, this is like like the apple. Do you remember?
Apple.
Apple. This is Elena, and we need apple. Set.
Set.
Like the apple. It's challenging for you. Apple. Take your time. They are too small, yeah, but you have good eyes. Apple. I can do it. I can do it. Elena, you can. Elena, look. Show me what you have. Very good. This is the No, form set. Elena, yes, you have the 3 letters, but now form set. Okay? So you're still playing there?
So,
yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
So
I let you play a little bit. You want to put there in the bowl. So we wait for you. You need some. It's now, yes, it's going to fall down, so it's better. Very good. So we need some work with the hands. So we let the brain cool down. Yes.
No, don't let
Yes, I am filming you. How you work. Okay. Very good. Well done. I like the work you are doing. Tidying up. Okay. Your hand. Very slow, like when you do it with Daddy. Set. Okay, try now. Very slow. Okay. Where is this? Here. Where is this? Ellie, show me this. Very good. Okay. Put this here. Very good. And now, okay, then put it here. Yes, next to this. And now, very good. So now you have set. Good, Elena, very good. And the last magic thing we're going to do, let's show your work.
Yes.
Set. Very good. Set.
Clap, clap,
Very good. Set, clap, cat. Elena, can you clap your hands? Show me how you're clapping. Very good. Set, clap, and pat, and mat. Good, Elena. Very good. So let's continue with Elena. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so you can still play with your letters here if you want. Or we can put it in the soup. You want to eat them. Okay, I'm going to put them in the soup, okay? Oh, here we go. All the letters in the soup. Elena, we have carrots, cucumber, water, but we don't have the potatoes. Can you put the potatoes there? And you wrote more letters. And your name. What is your name? What is your name?
His name.
What's your name?
And it's Elena.
Elena, yes. And you have set too. And a well done star. Very good, Elena. So this is good night time, sleepy time, and Elena has her new diary, and she drew everything she did today. Is that your dancing class? Yes, your dancing lesson now, or our walk today with Eva and Mommy. I don't know what it is. And look, Elena, what I found here. You wrote what we learned today.
Set.
Good. Elena, that's wonderful. And I saw something wonderful. And this is my name. Sylvie. Or this is a sock. And R. And L. And what is that? Do you remember?
This one.
This one. This here.
This one.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Elena. Good night, Elena. I love your diary. Good night.